Welcome, future investors, to a world of exciting financial possibilities. Today, we dive into the intriguing realm of options trading. This is a form of investment that revolves around contracts. These contracts grant you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price. However, it's important to remember that options trading is not for everyone and carries certain risks. Options trading, a powerful tool for those ready to navigate its complexities. Are you intrigued yet? In options trading, the devil is in the details. So what's the deal with these options? Let's get right into it. There are two main types of options, call and put. A call option, as the name suggests, gives you the right to call on the underlying security at a set price. Essentially, you're saying, I'll buy that. On the other hand, a put option is your ticket to say, I want to sell that. Now here's the thrilling part. Options can be used for speculation. That's like placing a bet on the future price of a security. So, if you play your cards right, there's potentially an unlimited upside. But don't let that get to your head because the downside is always limited. Options trading is like a game of chess. You need to strategize, anticipate the market's next move, and most importantly, understand the rules of the game. It's a fascinating world, full of opportunities, but it also carries its fair share of risks. So, with call and put options, you've got the power to buy and sell. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Now, let's talk money. What determines the price of an option? The price of an option isn't a one-dimensional puzzle piece, but rather a two-part equation consisting of intrinsic and extrinsic value. Intrinsic value, or the in-the-money amount, is like the no-brainer part of the option price. But the extrinsic value, also known as time value, brings the spice to the table. It's the premium you pay for the opportunity that time presents, and it's influenced by factors like time decay and volatility. So when you're eyeing an option price, remember you're looking at a mix of intrinsic value and the time-sensitive extrinsic value. Intrinsic and extrinsic values, the yin and yang of option prices. Clever, right? Now that you've got the basics down, are you ready to dip your toes into the world of options trading? Remember, options trading carries risks, and it's essential to fully grasp the market before making your move. Ready to start trading options? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and share in the comments which option strategy is best for you. Until next time, happy investing.